Namaskar. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you some of my pictures from the place called Tarragona, which is in Spain. And traveling to Tarragona, one has to get down at the Barcelona airport. From Barcelona, you can reach Tarragona by train, by road. So the medium would be either by a taxi or by a bus. Duration, it takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, and the roads are fantastic. And on the way, one can see the beautiful sea. Normally, the best time I would suggest is starting from the September, and that would be the best time to travel, September onwards. And there are few historical sites which one must definitely see while visiting Tarragona. That is Tarragona Cathedral, which is very impressive and combines architecture of Roman and Gothic style. There is a Ferrari World nearby and Roman amphitheater. You can explore this ancient structure and learn about Tarragona's Roman heritage. Just beside the city, you can see a beautiful beach where one can spend a time and enjoy very fresh and good local cuisine. Please note that if you are not going to stay at Tarragona, one must purchase a return ticket. And in case you are hiring a taxi, so that will be well and good. And Tarragona is definitely worth a visit, and it has got a rich history and a beautiful coastline. While you travel across my video, you would also see I have shared few pictures of the Ferrari Land in Tarragona, which is an exciting theme park dedicated to the famous Italian sports car brand, that is Ferrari. And it is located adjacent to Port Aventura World. It offers a range of attractions and experiences for fans of all ages. So this is also a must visit. Now one more very important historical part of the Tarragona, which I would be telling you, is the Colosseum in Tarragona, also known as Tarragona Amphitheater. It is a remarkable Roman ruin located near the Mediterranean coast. It was built in 2nd century AD and it could hold roughly 15,000 spectators and was used for various events including gladiatorial games and animal fights, like the one which we saw in the movie Gladiators, if you remember. The amphitheater is notable for its impressive architecture with seating arrangement in tiers and is integrated into the surrounding landscape. This Tarragona is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the amphitheater is just one of many historical attractions in the area, reflecting the city's rich Roman heritage. So if you are interested in historical places, it is definitely worth a visit. I couldn't go inside this place, so the photographs have been taken right from across the boundary of the same theaters. So as I was telling you, that Tarragona has a beautiful coastline, and it's a place which has a rich Roman history, stunning architecture, and a vibrant culture. Now, together with you must also enjoy the lovely Mediterranean beaches such as Playa de Roquel and Playa de la Embocadera, and that is perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Also do enjoy the local cuisine, seafoods, which was fantastic. The local bakery stuffs, which personally I would recommend, very fresh and very tasty. Like I was saying, the best time to visit start from September, as they are having Tarragona Santa Tecla Festival. So the day I visited, I also saw there was some sort of a cycling ride going on. That was a new experience to me. So thank you very much. In future I will include more of such pictures and videos to the places wherever I am traveling. So please like, subscribe and share among your family and friends. Thank you very much.